What's up, cryptocurrency traders? This is Hugh. And in this video, I'm going to do an analysis on Siacoin. Now, what's Siacoin? This isn't one of the, this is not one of the sexier cryptocurrencies out there. However, I think it is a pretty cool cryptocurrency, and I think it does have some potential. So let's take a look at it. First of all, let's look at the chart. As you can see, there was a huge run up to about 22 cents, or actually 23 cents, and it's since dropped down. Not 23 cents, I'm sorry, 2.3 cents. And then now it's down at 0.003 or so. So a huge drop off. And if you look at this, you might think that the boat has left. But if you really dig into Siacoin, you can see that they are moving forward. They do have a working product. And, and there's some potential here. I've actually downloaded Siacoin onto my computer. I've bought Siacoin on the exchange. I've put it into my wallet on my computer, and it's worked. It worked perfectly. I haven't hosted a lot of files, that part could be a little, I don't know how well that works, but I think it does work. And from what I've seen, people are using it. It's just that I don't think they have the critical mass yet to really get going. So I think at this price, I think, it's a pretty good, it's pretty near the bottom. I would think maybe it could go a little bit lower, down to like 0.002 or so. But I think, as you can see by the volume and the price action here, I think most of the hypesters have been shaken out, and what we'll probably see here is a base. So of course, don't take my word on that. That's just my opinion right now. But here's why I think that. Okay, so first of all, let's take a look at, the volume, right? Everybody talks about market cap, but what is market cap? That doesn't really mean a whole lot. You want to see how much it's trading. So, the 24-hour trading volume on CoinCap is about $1 million. Not too bad, considering how much the volume has dropped off here, right? And so there's still some action on it. People are trading it, and that's a good sign. On CoinCap, let's see, Bitcoin is over $1 billion in 24-hour trading volume. And as we go down the list, we can see some of the other currencies. And this is just good to see how much is being transacted. I think a big red flag is if something isn't being transacted at all. And, if you start getting down into the hundreds of thousands, then you might start to wonder if people are actually using it. But still over $1 million, still pretty good in my opinion. And so let's take a look at the Sia roadmap. They have a cool roadmap on Trello that's public. And as you can see from the releases, they haven't released in a while. So the last major one was in July. So that's probably why price has gone down, because there's been no news about it, right? You can take a look at what they're planning to release in November, which is the next big release. And there's some pretty cool things, especially simple file sharing, where you can share with other Sia users. And it's not very sexy, but it is practical. And the way I think about Sia is that they're kind of the blockchain, Dropbox. And there's quite a few of these out there. There's Storage, there's Sia, there's a couple other big ones. But I think that this is one of the things that is going to have real practical value. So that's why I like it. And if you take a look at their Discord channel, you can see that there's some action and there are things going on. And for any cryptocurrency, if they have a Slack channel or a Discord channel or something like that, it's really useful to join that and really do your research. That's where you can get a lot of great information. And for Sia, things are moving forward. They have completed an integration with Duplicati, I think it's called, and This is just a free backup software that allows you to back up to Google Drive, Amazon, Microsoft, any of those solutions. And now you can also back up to Sia. So that's always a good thing, right? When you have integrations with popular software that's already working. And then if you look at their Sia blog on Medium, they have an October update, and they have quite a few things going on. This guy Chris has joined as a core developer. They highlight this mining pool. So things are moving, and they're not moving quickly. It's not gonna take off anytime in the near future, but things are going forward, and this technology is working. So that's the main thing. I think there's a lot of cryptocurrencies out there where you don't have a real solid product yet, and Sia has a product and it works. So that's why I like Sia. I own some Sia, and I think we're gonna base out here. For how long, who knows? But I think that's kind of what the price action is telling us, and the volume has dried up considerably. So I would keep an eye out for it, and actually download the Sia client and see how it works, and send money back and forth. And when you actually use the technology and you see what it does, then you can better gauge how much of a future this technology has. And in my opinion, if Sia doesn't make it on their own, I think they were a very good candidate to be bought out by somebody and used as some sort of enterprise solution for a bigger company who wants blockchain storage. So that's kind of where I see it right now. Obviously, things might change, but take a look at it. Really do your research, make your own decisions. But I hope that helped. And if you want to see more cryptocurrency analysis, subscribe to my channel, like this video if you liked it, and keep an eye out for the next one. Thanks for watching.